But to begin our exploration of the earliest life that could possibly arise in the universe, we will start with the strictest definition of life that we can imagine. Life that looks like the kind on Earth, that uses water as a solvent in a range of habitable temperatures using a set of key, elemental building blocks. In 1952, a graduate student at the University of Chicago named Stanley Miller developed an experiment to test a controversial hypothesis developed by his advisor, Nobel Prize-winning chemist Harold Urey. The experiment was simple. Miller took a flask of water and added a mixture of methane, ammonia, and hydrogen. He then ran a spark of electricity through the flask. At first, nothing happened. But after a day, the mixture turned faintly pink, and after a week, the flask was filled with a deep red liquid. After adding additional chemicals to prevent microbial contamination and to stop the reaction, Miller used a chromatograph to identify what new molecules had appeared inside the flask. The results astounded him. Glycine, alpha-alanine, beta-alanine, aspartic acid, alpha and aminobutyric acid. These were amino acids, the building blocks of RNA and DNA, the basic chemistry of life itself. Miller's experiment shook the world.